Hello YouTube fam. Welcome back to our channel. In this channel, we will be discussing various topics in the exciting world of AI, machine learning, and computer vision. Our content is crafted by our awesome human team, but here's the magic. It's finely tuned and optimized by our AI wizards, bringing you top-notch information. And guess what? The presentation is delivered to you by our AI hosts and voiced by our incredible AI avatars. Let's get started. In today's video, we will discuss about Google ADK. Agent Development Kit, ADK, is a flexible and modular framework for developing and deploying AI agents. While optimized for Gemini and the Google ecosystem, ADK is model agnostic, deployment agnostic, and is built for compatibility with other frameworks. ADK was designed to make agent development feel more like software development, to make it easier for developers to create, deploy, and orchestrate agentic architectures that range from simple tasks to complex workflows. All right, let us now discuss why use ADK over just Vertex AI Gen AI packages. ADK uses Vertex AI under the hood for LLM calls. ADK is for building complex, multi-agent systems with structured coordination. If you don't need agent interactions, simulation, or shared state, the Vertex AI SDK alone is simpler and sufficient. TLDR, use ADK when you need multiple agents coordinating in a shared environment with memory, state, and messaging. Use Vertex AI SDK alone for simpler single-agent or stateless tasks. We will see the key features of ADK. ADK has built-in multi-agent orchestration, which allows for efficient orchestration. ADK has centralized world state, which provides efficient state management. Agent coordination and communication is structured via environment and messages. Step loop and time progression is built into ADK and allows simulation and stepwise execution. ADK is best for multi-agent systems, team reasoning, simulations. Moving on, let us see the main agent types. Root parent agent is the top-level node in an ADK agent tree. It receives the user environment request, owns the session-wide world state, and decides when and which child to run. You create it by passing a list of subagents equals pupil. ADK then auto-sets each child's parent agent pointer and enforces the single parent rule. Subagent is any agent that has a parent agent. It focuses on a narrow task, search, RAG, code exec, etc., and is invoked only when its parent, often a workflow agent like sequential agent, parallel agent, or loop agent, delegates control to it. After the subagent finishes, control returns up the tree. Finally, let us see what is ADK Web. ADK Web is the browser-based UI for the Agent Development Kit that helps you to visually build, run, and debug multi-agent environments, including agent interactions, world state, and A2A calls. It also helps inspect agent reasoning, actions, and message flows step by step without writing orchestration code manually. Let us see a demo of a simple multi-agent system using the sample provided by Google. We are thankful to Google team. We will use ADK Web for our demo. We will start by saying hi. We see that the agent routes us to a subagent, which calls a tool called Say Hello. Using ADK Web can visualize the flow transfer between different agents. We can see that the root agent is called Weather Agent Stateful Coordinator. It has two subagents, Greeting Agent and a Farewell Agent. It also has a tool called Get Weather Stateful. We can see the execution flow. The root agent calls the subagent, which is Greeting Agent. The subagent, in turn, calls the function tool Say Hello. This function responds with Hello there. Let us now introduce ourselves by saying I am a bot. We can see that the tool is called, and this time it responds with the name we mentioned. It says Hello AI bot. We can look at the event flow graph as well. Let us now reverse gear and ask the agent as to who it is. We will ask it, who are you? It responds by saying, I am a weather agent. I can provide weather information, handle greetings, and farewells. Cool. We can also look at the event graph. We can see that the root agent is called Weather Agent Stateful Coordinator. We will then ask what's the weather. It then asks for which city. We will ask for weather in London. It responds that the weather in London is cloudy with a temperature of 15 degrees. Okay, this is good. Okay, we can see the execution flow. We see that Weather Agent Stateful Coordinator calls the tool getWeatherStateful. The getWeatherStateful returns the response back the root agent. We can see the green highlights to show the control flow. We can see the direction of arrows to look at the way data is transferred. There is bidirectional flow of data between the root agent and the subagents. Nice. All right. We will then ask for weather in New York. The tool responds with corresponding message. We can also look at the event graph. We see that Weather Agent Stateful Coordinator calls the tool getWeatherStateful. The getWeatherStateful returns the response back the root agent. We can see the green highlights to show the control flow. We can see the direction of arrows to look at the way data is transferred. There is bidirectional flow of data between the root agent and the subagents. Cool. This is very interesting and expected flow of execution. All right. Let us pivot a bit and look at the state management. We can see a couple of state variables. Last weather report stores the weather in New York is sunny with a temperature of 25 degrees. Last city checked stateful stores New York. Great, let us move on and ask further question. Apart from weather, what else can you do? It responds with other abilities. It can also handle greetings and farewells. Let us test the other subagents. We will test the farewell agent now. We will ask something which invokes that flow. When we say thanks, it responds with goodbye. Have a great day. We can also look at the event graph. It uses the subagent called farewell agent. This subagent in turn uses the tool say goodbye. The tool responds with goodbye. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures in the world of AI and machine learning. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more tech talks, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our future explorations. Until next time, happy coding and keep the curiosity alive. Thanks for watching.